Hello, Tim here from Stowhill Estates Berkshire, and today it is my genuine pleasure to introduce you to this phenomenal property in South Ascot. We've got just over 4,100 square feet of accommodation in total, 5 bedrooms, including a stunning master suite and 4 reception rooms. And needless to say, that's not all, but I'm going to leave a couple of surprises for when we go inside later. Before I go though, just a quick word about the setting, because it is a beautiful surrounding here. So much so that one previous guest actually described being in the gardens as a bit like being in the Amazon rainforest. Hopefully it doesn't rain today, but this is England, so before we push our luck too far, let's head inside for a look. So it seems only fitting that we finish back here in the gardens, which, as I mentioned earlier, are quite spectacular, with multiple levels, patios all around the property so that you can catch the sun at any time of day and any time of year. So if you've loved this house as much as I do and you think it might be the perfect home for you, feel free to get in touch via the details that follow.